Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a glitter cut crease tutorial for y'all. I'm really excited about this because I love cut creases and I love glitter, and I've done this look before. I did it 2 years ago, but I decided like why not teach it to y'all. It's really cute. And yeah, so we're just not even going to talk a lot. We're just going to get right down to it. Follow the steps and you'll get the same look as I do. So yeah, let's just get into it, guys. Okay, as you can see, like I already have my face makeup done. I just did my eyebrows and yeah, that's it. I did it this way because I thought we're just going to be working on the eyes. There's not going to be fallout because it's not like we're blending a lot with this. You guys know that I'm a firm believer in eyes before face always, but for today, that's not the way we're going. So for this look, we are going to be using the Morphe 35T palette. Yeah, and this is the only palette I'm using today in this video. You can use any palette as long as it has a brown in it, honestly. So this is not like a requirement or anything like that. So to start out, we're going to be taking the palette and just getting like a neutral color from the palette just to put down as a base. I'm going to be using this color right here for my neutral color. And you're just going to put this all over your lid. Oops. Okay, pretty simple. After you're done that, now you're gonna go back into the palette and find that brown color that I was talking about already. The brown color is gonna be blended into your crease. So I'm taking this shade right here. It's like a darkish brown. And I'm gonna just be taking my blending brush, the one from the Sephora collection, which I usually use most of the time. And I'm gonna blend it into my crease. This is gonna be like the only color that you're using. So basically you're just gonna feel out the shape of your eyeball when you're doing this to make sure you get that shape, because the part of the cut crease is to make it look like there's like a cut, kind of. So just get right here and blend it in. And you'll see that once you start to do that, it creates a dimension in your eye. And when you're doing that, and you start to see the line, kind of bring it out to the, like, outwards of your eye like this. Now, as you can see, there's like, you can see that the shadow is blended. We're gonna get into the concealing part. This eye look doesn't take a lot of products and it's not very long. It's just the fact that using concealer can be a bit tricky. But you guys will get it. It's not that hard once you start to do it. So the concealer that I'm using is the NARS medium dark one in the pot. And I'm just going to be following and creating a line in my eye, like to like create that cut crease kind of. So basically what I recommend is starting from the out and coming in. So something that I see some people do that might help you is they will put the concealer on their eyelid and then look up. And then wherever the concealer falls, that's where you create your line. But I am not using liquid eyeliner, so I can't really do that, but if you are using liquid eyeliner, which can be a bit more difficult, then definitely try that and see if it works for you. Or you can just gently stroke it and try to get it like how you want it. It's not that hard if you just are making sure you have a steady hand and you don't rush. You see, I'm like taking the concealer and dragging it out. It creates that distinct line and shape with your eyeshadow, which looks like really nice. Okay, you guys, if you've gotten this far, you have successfully cut your first crease with concealer. As you can see, there's a line that has been created. That looks really nice. It really shows the shape of your eyeshadow. So now it even looks like it's like a swoop, kind of like a wave. But now you just kind of, if there's any, like if you need to brush up on anything, just kind of lightly move it away, or use your blending brush and put some more if you want to create more dimension with your crease, just so it seems more precise, like there's more precision in the cut. So now the last part of this, well, not the last part, but the slightly hard part, the glitter. Now, I am using the Wet n Wild Fantasy Makers glitter eyeliner in silver. I really like this one. I used it for a Halloween look a couple of years ago, and like, you don't really need to spend a lot of money on glitter eyeliners, and Wet n Wild is a really good drugstore brand anyways, so yeah, I would recommend getting it. And you can use any glitter color you want. I just like silver. So what you're gonna do here now is you're gonna follow this line that you've just created with the glitter eyeliner. So start from the inner corner like we usually do, but gently go out. Oops, oh my god. Okay, we're gonna try that again. Gently, like I just did not do. And just follow the shape that you've created, including extending it outwards. Okay, so far so good, even though we kind of messed up a little in the beginning. Be careful, as you can see, like I'm kind of like looking down while I'm doing this. Just so I don't look up and smear it everywhere, because that would suck. If you have to go back and add more glitter just to create more of the color, then go ahead. the other eye. My camera shut off, so I don't know where that ended, but yeah. So as you can see, I've successfully put the glitter on where the line started, and I'm kind of just like looking down because I don't want the glitter to like smear everywhere, and just kind of let it dry. Oh, there's some in my hair. Oh well. Let it dry so that it doesn't get everywhere, and you guys can like look cute still. Now the last part of this eye look is the black eyeliner. Like, you are not required to use black eyeliner if you don't think this look needs one. I just like it because I like how it creates the three like lines with the eyeshadow, the glitter, and then the black eyeliner. I just like how it looks. So how I do my eyeliner is from here I'm like going kind of slow, but I've done it enough times to know like how to do it properly. And what I do is I start from like, I end the line here, and then I come from like where my kind of almost close to where my eye is, and I drag up like that and pull in like that. And there is the eyeliner, and you're basically done the eye look. Now you just gotta add some mascara and lashes. The mascara I'm using is the Better Than Sex one that I normally use, except that this one is the waterproof version. Okay guys, the lashes that I'm going to be using are the Vixen Locks lashes in the style Vixen. I love these lashes so much. They are my favorite style actually by this company. You can also get quality raw bundles from them. This wig is from them. And as you can see, like, this is so nice. Like, it's silky, and it's, even after a year, like, it still moves so nicely, and there's like no issues with it. So yeah, these are what the lashes look like. I don't know if it's focusing. Oh well. Now, to add to the look, because we're not completely done yet guys, I'm gonna get some nude lipstick and some lip gloss. You can use anything as long as you have it, whatever matches to what you want to do. And lastly, some highlight. Of course, I'm using the Nicole Guerrero palette, which I always do. And I'm using the shade Glow Getter as usual because that's like my favorite highlight on myself. It is just bomb. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my tutorial. I hope you guys, it was easy to follow along, and if you do end up doing this tutorial, send me pictures so I can post it on my Instagram story. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell, because then you'll be able to see whenever I post. Oh, sorry, I'm checking my phone. Then you'll get to see whenever I post. And yeah, I have some cool videos coming up for you guys, and you don't want to miss them, so make sure you keep up. Yeah.